I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Chrome and the extension files. First, open Chrome, //extensions and enable developer mode. This lets you load unpacked code. Next, place the Foxified files in a single folder or extract a CRX into that folder so Chrome can read a manifest. Once done, make sure you've noted required permissions. This prevents surprises. You're starting the install now, so don't delay, move directly to loading the extension in the next step. You now load the Foxified extension into Chrome. Click Load Unpacked and choose the folder with manifest. JSON, Chrome reads that file to register the extension. If the extension needs web request or host permissions, grant them when prompted. Once loaded, inspect its background and pop-up views for errors, open details, and use inspect views to see console messages. If you see missing module or path errors, move files or correct manifest entries. Then reload the extension until no errors appear. You finish by enabling and testing Foxified features on a target page. Try the main action, verify pop-up and background scripts respond. If something fails, open the extension's console, read error lines, and fix manifest permissions or file paths, then reload. Make sure to pack the extension if you need a distributable CRX or keep developer mode for iterative edits. If unresolved conflicts persist, create a fresh Chrome profile or clear cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.